Okay, pick your starting position.
This spot's good.
Over here!
This spot's good.
Good! You chose your position.
I've heard of you.
What episode is that?
Let the battle begin! You gotta move. Pay attention if you want to stay alive!
Oh dear. Level up.
Enemies attacking! Quit messing around!
Someone's already off the air! Some hardcore brawlers out here!
Level up.
Who wants their ass handed to them next?
There was an item here. Everyone is in the safe area. Surely due to proper guidance. There was an item here. There was an item here. Please use it.
Ready to go. Yeah.
Oh dear. Level up.
Ooh, I want that.
There was an item here. Please use it. There was an item here. Please use it.
Level up.
There was an item here. Please use it.
Got an item.
Oh dear.
All right.
The safe area has changed! I'll hit you up when it's gonna move again.
There was an item here. Please use it.
Level up.
I'm going over here.
Item box appeared! Finders keepers!
Level up.
Someone better grab the item!
Level up. Oh dear.
You gotta move. Pay attention if you want to stay alive!
Level up.
There was an item here. Please use it.
No sweat. Everyone's in the safe area. There's some items here.
My soul is renewed. Level up.
Need a boost.
I'm going over here.
Uh-huh. I'm gonna win.
Got an
Be a
item.
blessing.
Got an item.
Right.
Level up.
Item box appeared!
Oh dear.
Finders keepers!
Rest assured. I strive to accumulate virtues.
The safe area moved! This battle's about to go hardcore! You dig?
Enemies attacking! Quit messing around!
Piercing through. Congratulations!
We're being attacked.
Dodge this, sucker!
Yeah.
Oh dear!
I'm going over here.
All right.
Level up! Level up!
I'm down for
Oh
now.
dear! I shall go!
Stop.
30 seconds till the safe area moves! You'll get swallowed up if you're not careful!
Piercing through!
We're being attacked by an enemy.
Nourish my vines! Damn! Level up! Oh dear!
Nobody safe area? Get moving! Enemies attacking! Quit messing around!
Atone! Pitiful lamb. Power of protection! My soul is renewed!
These idiots are no match for me.
Who wants their ass handed to them next?
The teams are out! Now the match will really heat up!
Let us be calm.
Fight!
There's an item box! Move quick or it'll get snapped up! The safe area!
Power of protection!
This battle's about to go hardcore! You dig?
No mercy! Dodge this, sucker! Who wants their ass handed to them next?
3 teams left!
Level
Will
up!
the battle unfold?
Oh dear!
30 seconds till the safe area moves! You'll get swallowed up if you're not careful!
Enemies attacking! Quit messing around!
Level up!
I'll kill you!
Believe!
Being attacked. Everyone's outside the safe area. Run!
My soul is renewed! Power of protection!
I better be.
You idiot!
Retribution! Level up!
We're being attacked.
To my utmost ability! What technique is this? My protection! All at once! Believe! True! My vines are still. Level
Safe
up!
area has moved! This report brought to you by Present Mike!
My soul is renewed! Power of protection! Level up!
These idiots are no match for me.
Level up!
Nobody's in the safe area? Get moving!
These idiots are no match for me.
Let me say that again! 2 teams
All right.
Level up! Thicket of Thorns!
Game set!
Stand down!
Thanks to you, more people might want to become heroes!
Hell no, dumbass. Hell no.
Blessed by the
Hell no,
heavens.
dumbass. Hell no, dumbass.
Many people will say, I accept this wonderful item.